I had to restart the video again because you saw what happened. The air turned on and stuff. So we're gonna restart it, I guess. Wait, you didn't see that because I had to stop it and it's not gonna be in this video. So first we got is this black spotted puppy. I really like it. Her name is Spotty. She's going to have a sister, Spot, when I'll show in a moment. Next up we got is a poodle. Oh, and where the black spots were, it used to be brown. Next up we have this poodle. And the inside of the mouth was its original color. I just couldn't paint inside there. And this doesn't have eyes, if you can tell, because I don't know how to paint eyes yet, but I'm sure I'll learn how to in the future. And her name is Aspen. Next up we got is the dog that I said at the beginning of the video. She will have a sister named Spot. This is her. Well, the brown spots used to be black, so like these two were opposite. Well, the brown spots were black, where the brown spots were. Where the brown spots are used to be black, and where the black spots are it used to be brown. So it's kind of opposite. Next up we got is a puppy. It used to be white with some white-brown patches. And you know what I made it, y'all. It's a German Shepherd puppy because, of course, you know, I'm obsessed with German Shepherds because I have one at home. This is just a puppy. German Shepherd, black German Shepherd. Her name is Shadow. Next up we got is a wiener dog, or sausage dog, however you want to say it. It used to be brown. Yeah, brown. And you know my dog Tank. That was in some of my Stella's World videos. Something sad happened. He had to get put down because he couldn't use his front legs. But we don't want to make this a sad video. We want to make this a happy video. So this is him. I made it as a Tank. It looks brown, but it's a black dog. Can't really see it because my flashlight's on. Next up we got is another German Shepherd puppy, but not black. It looks like a regular German Shepherd with black patch, brown, and her name is Puppy Stella. I have a few other Stellas. Let me get them out in my bin. But you probably know that I have them. Hold on, I have to look through my bin. Oh, those are the Stella. So all the German Shepherds that I get will be named Stella. This is the Mojo German Shepherd, the Mojo Puppy, and the Schleich German Shepherd. It doesn't really come with the collar. I put it on there. And now we have a puppy. So it's gonna be puppy, kid, grown up. And the German Shepherds will probably go in the future. I just don't have that many because I need more dog figures. I'm gonna use this black German Shepherd puppy for the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.